Hi guys, I believe you are doing fine today. And today is another day. We are back to continue from where we stopped in our last class. I believe you have watched all those videos. If you did not, please go and watch them. If you don't know where to find them, just go to YouTube and then search for at SGE for real, and then you see all my videos there. Watch them, it will help you. If you just come and join us here, you will not understand what we are doing except you have the foundation. So go and watch all those videos before you can appreciate what is going to happen here. Now we are still on types of chemical reaction. Now remember that I gave you 8 different types, and we have treated the first seven. The last one, which is number 8, is redox reaction, which I have treated the 4 definitions of it. And now we are into what? Balancing of redox reaction. Balancing of redox reaction is one of the topics that gives headache to students. Now, follow it critically. Now, balancing of redox reaction. We can balance it in acidic medium. We can also balance it in neutral medium. We can also balance it in alkaline medium. Now we are starting with neutral medium. How do we balance this equation in neutral medium? Now, equation is given. How do we balance the equation in neutral medium? First thing, split the equation into two half equation. I will say solution. I want to split this equation into two half equations. I have copper here, I have copper here. So I can quickly say Cu giving me, Cu plus giving me Cu. That's one equation. Now, remember that something happened to this man for this electron, or for it to carry plus, meaning it has given out electron. Remember, I said something like that. It has given out how many electron? Because it has 1 plus is 1 electron. This E minus means 1 electron. Now, I am done with that. Let's go to the second half equation. I have I have Fe. I have Fe 3 plus. So I will now say Fe arrow to give me Fe 3 plus. Okay. Now remember, something also happened to this man. For it to carry 3 plus, it has given out 3 electrons. So I will now say what? 3E minus. E minus means electron. So now I have split the two. So that's the first step. Split the equation into two half. Split the equation into two half. So I've done that. Now, the next thing for me to do is to balance the electron. Since this is one, this is one, this is one, this is one, let me balance the electron. I want to scale second step, step 2. That was step 1. Step 2. Scale the electron to be of the same value. Scale the electron, or if I say E, to be of the same value. Okay, now how do I do that? Remember, I have Cu plus E minus to give me Cu. Then the second one is Fe to give me Fe e 3 plus 3e minus. Okay, so getting this, I want to scale this to have the same value with this by multiplying this equation by 3. So if I multiply, remember there's 1 here, there's 1 here, there's 1 here. Coefficient of all these substances you are seeing are 1, apart from here that you have 3. So multiply the equation 1 by 3. So if I multiply the whole equation by 3, I will now have what? I will now have I will now have 3 times 1, 3 3cu plus 3 times 1 here, 3e minus r 3 times 1 here, 3cu. Okay, that's first equation. Now the second equation, if I multiply by 1, I will still have the same thing. So I will still have fe 3 plus 3e minus. So I have scaled the two electrons to be of the same value. Now, next step is add the two equations. Step 3. Add the two half equations and cancel out common terms. So now by adding this, I will say 3cu plus 3e minus. I'm done with the reactant of this, so I have to add the reactant of this plus fe r, which sounds like equal to 3cu plus fe 3 plus 3e minus. Cancel out common term. These and these are the same. So if I cancel it, even without putting my Bible, I can now write them out. 3 cu plus fe to give me 3 cu plus fe 3 plus. So this is the new equation now. Let's confirm the equation and be sure that the equation is balanced. Okay, Cu here, how many? 3. Come to the product. Cu here is how many? 3. Is it balanced? Yes, it's balanced. Let's move on. Go to Fe. Fe here is 1. Fe here is 1. Is it balanced? Yes, it is balanced. So let's move on. Now, the next thing, balance the charge. Check the charge. If it is not balanced, balance it. Okay, now charge here. Remember, this is plus 1 times how many? Because it's in the front. Anything in the front, multiply by everything in front of it. So plus 1 times 3 is plus 3. Now come to the plus here. This one has no plus, so I leave. This one has no plus, I leave. In the reactant side, I have plus 3. In the product side, I have how many? Plus 3 times 1. So it's what? Plus 3. So the number of pluses I have in the reactant is also equal to the number of pluses I have in the product. So the equation is perfectly balanced. I believe you enjoyed the class. Okay, so if you do, like the page, share the page, comment, ask questions on a comment section. Whatever thing is your problem in chemistry, feel free. Let's work together. Thank you.